Good morning. You're listening to Sumaya Ansari, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. News of 29th June 2020 are as follows. UP Board Result 2020. Yogi government announces laptop rupees 1 lakh cash for class 10th and 12th toppers. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Dinesh Sharma along with the Uttar Pradesh Madhyamik Shiksha Parishad officials announced the state board result of class 10th and 12th on Saturday. The Deputy Chief Minister announced that meritorious students will get a laptop and rupees 1 lakh cash. Speaking at a press conference, Sharma said, on the instructions of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, the meritorious students will get rupees 1 lakh cash, a laptop, and we will build a road to their houses. Praising the efforts of the UPMSP for conducting examinations in these difficult times, he said, in these very difficult times, we conducted these examinations. More than 2 crore copies were checked in 21 days, which is commendable work. The results are better for both class 10th and 12th this year as compared to the previous year. Earlier in the day, Adityanath congratulated the students who cleared their class 10th and 12th board examinations conducted by UPMSP. India adds 19,906 new COVID-19 cases, highest single-day spike. India on Sunday, June 28, 2020 recorded more than 19,500 COVID-19 cases in a single day for the first time, taking the total tally to 5.28 lakh. The highest single-day spike was recorded for the fifth consecutive day, increasing the coronavirus infections by more than 15,000. The country saw a surge of 3,38,324 infections from June 1 till date. As per the Ministry of Health data, the coronavirus cases in India stands at 5,28,859, including 2,03,051 active cases, 3,09,713 cured, discharged, or migrated, and 16,095 deaths. The data showed 19,906 new cases, while 410 persons succumbed to the disease in the last 24 hours. COVID-19 vaccine. WHO says Oxford trials at most advanced stage. COVID-19 vaccines, as many 13 experimental coronavirus vaccines are currently under clinical trials to fight the novel coronavirus pandemic, which has impacted millions of people across the world. Between these, the World Health Organization has identified Oxford's COVID-19 vaccine, AstraZeneca, as the front runner. A report by the Indian Express citing WHO chief scientist Soumya Swaminathan said that AstraZeneca has more scope given their plans and vaccine trials. According to the report, AstraZeneca by Oxford has begun the third phase of trial and has also signed its 10th deal to supply and manufacture. In an agreement of $127 million signed by Brazil, the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine will be produced locally. The report citing Elcio Francisco, Brazil's number 2 public health official, said that Brazil will first produce 30 million doses of the vaccines, where half will be made in December and half in January 2021. Door-to-door survey under Kill Corona drive from July 1 in Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh government will launch a Kill Corona campaign from July 1 to control the spread of COVID-19 in the state. Under the campaign, door-to-door survey will be conducted and tests will also be done on citizens for other diseases. Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and during a virtual review meeting on the COVID-19 pandemic on Saturday, Chauhan said during the 15-day campaign, 2.5 lakh tests will be carried out and 15,000 to 20,000 samples would be collected daily, according to a press release. Top US health body adds 3 new symptoms of COVID-19. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) has added 3 new symptoms of the coronavirus disease COVID-19 to its existing list. Congestion or runny nose, nausea and diarrhea have been added to the US Health Protection Agency's list of 12 symptoms now. Fever or chills, cough, shortness of breath or difficulty in breathing, fatigue, muscle or body aches, headache, loss of smell or taste, and sore throat are the symptoms that are already in CDC's list. This list does not include all possible symptoms. CDC will continue to update this list as we learn more about COVID-19, the agency said on its website. That's all for today. I, Sumaya Ansari, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.